Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to customize and create a store on Shopify for spiritual and wellness products, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this. Let's continue. Now choose an account and now wait a few seconds for creating the store. The first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can change your themes if you want and customize them. So I'm gonna just skip the down theme. You can select any theme here you want and click add and wait to install the theme. After this, click publish and you can customize it. Click customize and it will take you to your homepage store. So here this is your homepage store. This is the style. You can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like full screen style. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here this is the settings where you can design the site. So first here we have the header, we have the announcements bar. You can change here, you can change the color scheme, you can show separator line, you can show icons on desktop. Also you can auto rotate announcements, you can enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text, you can pass a link or search for something. I'm gonna select all collections. Now let's move on to the next, to the header section. So here you can change the desktop logo width, you can change the main menu, also you can change the desktop menu type, you can change the sticky header, you can show separator line, you can edit the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile logo position, you can edit the spacing also here, and the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. You can here manage the theme settings, you can enable search suggestions. Here you can put your social media links. If you want to add your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's just search on it on the browser, just for example, spiritual and wellness products. Logo idea like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can edit the vertical offset. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. Here you can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you have two images. You can add the first image and the second, and if you want to add just one image, so for example let's search on some image on the browser. So for example let's select some image from here. So I'm gonna choose this. If you wanna add the second image, you can add it here. You can edit the image overlay opacity. Also you can add the banner height. You can edit here the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. Also here you can edit desktop content alignments. You can change the color scheme and the animations. Here you can edit the mobile layout. You can stack image on mobile. Also you can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text of the heading. Just describe what this text is about. Spiritual and wellness products. Here you can edit the heading size. So let's move on now to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. Also you can change the first button link. You can use outline button style. Here if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label, and also you can add the second button link. You can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collection section. Here you can generate the text, spiritual and wellness products. Here you can edit the heading size. You can add the description, just generate the text. Also you can show collection description from the admin. You can edit you can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make products for wheels. You can also enable carousel on desktop. You can edit the products card, the image ratio and the image shape. Here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor and show product region. Here if you want to enable quick add button, you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show image sign up. You can generate the text on the heading. So here you can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have is save this, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. So here next step is name your store after you customize your online store and add your first products. Now the next step is name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. You can also add change the store email or add your email here. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can just launch your online store and publish it. So that's it. That's how to customize and create your store for spiritual and wellness products, business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.